watching this video. I am here to show you this vlogging camera that Akaso sent. If you don't know Akaso has been in the market for like 7 years. Akaso builds high quality and affordable action cameras, and these are one of the cameras that will come out in the market soon. It's not really available yet to the public, so keep an eye out for this, okay? So it comes in this box. As you can see, it's ultra lightweight. Can't wait to open this. There you go. And this is the back. See how cute? You can attach it to your dog or any pet. They could capture every moment. So it is, these are some of the features of this vlog camera. And what I do like about this is that it's small, very compact and small, and it's 4K. So I'm so excited to open this box. So let's start. So this is the box it comes in, and these are the features. The back of the box, side, barcode, product information. See that? It only weighs 36 grams. And this is from Akaso. Oh, that's how small the camera is. And that's what it comes with. So, quick start guide. So, there we go. So, it says here you have to download Akaso Go app. Follow animation below, connect to Wi-Fi. Ooh, it's vibrating. See that? That's me. Hi. Oh my gosh, the quality is amazing, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna show you. That's my neighbor. The quality is amazing. This is zoom. Hi. Oh. I have dry lips. But yeah. Look at that. And look at this. And there. And pivot. This is really small. This is what it looks like, guys. Super small. Really lightweight. And here. Comes with this, so it clips on. And you can also put that there. You can tie a chain around it. So charge is there. So you've seen the Akaso vlog camera. It's super sleek, super small. What I was going to show you earlier is that. And you could attach it here and it'll capture everything. So we're going to connect it. So it does need an SD card, a mini SD card to record. It still doesn't have an SD card, but this is what it'll show you. It's my lighting setup. So, super small. And you want to know what they're doing all day at home, tie this around their neck. So I'm going to test this vlog camera outdoors and see how it takes videos, photos outdoors. But overall, I like how small it is, how simple, and how fast it connects to my phone. Now what I think of this is it's a very great gadget to have for a vlogger. It is small, you can carry it anywhere, you can snap photos, videos, and it is something that I would want to have. So if you want to get your hands on this, the link is down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.